Why? Why does she have to make those sacrifices as a mother or a daughter or a wife? And these sacrifices can be big or small, right? The biggest being her having to leave her entire family when she's getting married. It's not fair. She's loved that family and that family's loved her back, and she's leaving all that behind just for this one guy. She might or might not love him. It might be arranged, it might not be. That doesn't matter. She's still giving up an entire chunk of her family. That's the biggest sacrifice anybody could make. And women, especially in India, are always supposed to do that. I don't get it. I mean, I'm questioning you and I don't have a solution for this. But I don't get it. Why does the boy get to study and the girl doesn't? Why does he get that special ghee wali roti and she doesn't? Now, these are just stories I've heard about. I haven't seen them, but it is happening. The girl, and it's at that young age that you start getting being conditioned like that. You know you're supposed to do this. You know you're supposed to let it go, give in. Why should she be making those sacrifices? It's not fair. Let's take belly dancers for example. Let's talk about us. Let's make it more personal. So I had this conversation with my parents, and when Meher had spoken about, taking this a step further, taking it professionally, so I sat them down and I had this conversation with them that, Mum, this is something I like to do. Like, let's consider it, maybe professionally, semi professionally. And my parents are really liberal people. Like, I'm a lingerie designer and I do a lot of things that women, even in my society, don't get to do because their parents don't let them or they're too afraid to ask. My parents are pretty cool like that. So the question that they asked me was, Acha beta, I know you like to do it, but what about when you get married? What about when I get married? I mean, there's nobody even in the scene right now. Why should I be thinking about somebody who's not in the scene, right? Nahi, matlab, the entire, I mean, you're already doing things like these, and I know you've been brought up in a certain way, but chances थोड़े कम नहीं हो जाते? अरे, don't I deserve somebody as liberal as you guys? Don't I deserve a family who's going to accept me as you guys accept me? Why do I have to make this sacrifice of something that I love doing so much? It makes no sense in my head. But unfortunately, all this changes when you reach a certain age. These double standards crop up. And you're supposed to do these things. I'm hoping this will change now. I'm hoping we make a society where this changes and women do not have to go through all this anymore. They don't have to make these stupid sacrifices. And in today's time, where we're fending for ourselves and others, why are we still sacrificing? And why are we sacrificing on ourselves? Why can't I go on that trip by myself? Why can't I go to that amusement park by myself? That is my me time. I needed to grow. I needed to turn into a smart, intelligent thinking being. I owe myself that. I owe myself that freedom. We all owe ourselves that freedom.
जो मैं जानती कि प्रीत करे दुख होए तो नगर ढिंडोरा पीटती कहती प्रीत न करियो कोई। जो मैं जानती कि मन खुद बैरी होए हर डगर ढिंडोरा पीटती कहती प्रीत न करियो कोई। जो मैं जानती कि प्रीत करे दुख होए तो नगर ढिंडोरा पीटती कहती प्रीत न करियो कोई। जो मैं जानती कि मन खुद बैरी होए हर डगर ढिंडोरा पीटती कहती प्रीत न करियो कोई। मैं जानती के प्रीत में पागल होए तो ढोल नगाड़ा पीट के कहती प्रीत न करियो कोई।